Thank you. Hi, my name is Victoria. I'm a front-end developer and a chapter leader for something called Vue Vixens. Vue Vixens is an initiative that helps women and those who identify as women learn Vue.js in a supportive and inclusive environment. And I'm here to tell you my story with the Vue Vixens and what we do to help other women. So just so that you know where I come from, so 3.5 years ago, I graduated from university with a Bachelor of Arts in Japanese and German and Linguistic Studies. And as I was holding my diploma, I realized, and I was taking graduation photos with my brother and my grandmother, I realized, shit, I have no idea what to do next. So I moved to Germany, and after trials and errors with design school and a master's degree, I decided to embrace the challenge of becoming a web developer. But I realized that if I wanted to become a web developer, I would be much better off doing that as part of a community. So I started using Twitter again and joining the developer community on Twitter. Fast forward, a year later, I was able to get my first developer job and also was granted the privilege of attending conferences like this one. I also became more active on Twitter, and as a result of me using Vue at work, I also joined the Vue community on Twitter. On Twitter, I also stumbled upon Vue Vixens, and I didn't really know what they did. All I knew was that they were helping women in tech, and they were awesome. And there was someone called Jen Looper, and she's the CEO of the Vue Vixens, and Natalia, the CTO of Vue Vixens. A few months later, I was able to attend Vue.js London, a community conference, and finally have my first meeting with the Vue community. There, Natalia, the CTO of Vue Vixens, had a talk where she talked about all the things that the Vue Vixens accomplished in 2018. So a little bit more about the Vue Vixens community. It was founded at Vue.js Amsterdam in 2018, and since then, we have done over 50 events worldwide, including workshops, meetups, and smaller conference-like events where we help women build Vue applications or just generally support them in any type of developer or personal or professional questions that they might have. So I joined the Vue Vixens as a chapter leader for Germany, and now I'm building Vue Vixens Germany with a great team of other amazing women. We now have city coordinators in Berlin, Karlsruhe, Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt, and we are doing a bunch of cool stuff. Like this Thursday, we were here in Berlin organizing a workshop where we had 13 women coming together building a Vue app, and many of those women are here today. And also I have a few of my coordinators here with me today, sitting over here. So we have a Slack community that's very active, where you can post questions about anything that you might wonder about code. You can share photos of your pets. You can ask about women's health issues in the ladies channel, or you can get help writing your talk abstracts or anything that you might need. The Vixens are happy to help, and they're always there if you need them. So if you would like to know more about the Vue Vixens, attend one of our events. You can always join us on Slack. We're at vuevixens.slack.org. We're also on Twitter at Vue Vixens, and we're always open for more people to join us and more people to attend our event and help us out. And remember, always pay it forward, and thank you so much for everyone who's always making the effort to help everyone in our community. Thank you.